Hey guys, welcome to the holiday season. Today I will be doing a tutorial on holiday glam. This is my version of holiday glam, which is beginners and it's subtle as usual. Y'all know how I do my makeup. But if you're interested in seeing this beginners holiday glam makeup tutorial, keep watching. Thanks. Bye. All right, I'm using my Fenty today, and as you can see, I am down to my last little bit, which is freaking me out because it matches my winter tone perfectly. I don't want to have to buy anymore. So hopefully I can stretch it. I'm gonna go in and blend this in with my foundation brush. So as I'm working on this, I'm realizing this is not enough. Hopefully I have some more in the bottle that would allow me to finish this look. And I do. So I go back in and pump out some more. This time I pumped out too much. So I'm wasting product here because I don't usually apply that much foundation to my face. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this work. I actually end up wasting it because that's what you see left on my hand. I actually had to discard it, which hurt my feelings. I hate wasting product. All right, so now I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my nose with this NYX highlighting contour stick. I'm gonna take my concealer brush to blend this highlight in on my brow bone and my nose. I'm gonna set this with my setting powder. I'm gonna set my lids, and I'm also going to set my nose, as well as my laugh lines, my forehead, and my jawbone. I just like the way it gives me an airbrush look, especially my under eye. Set my under eye too because you don't want those lines to show. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush to brush it off, all of the excess powder. I'm gonna contour with my Fenty matchstick. I'm hitting those jaw lines. I am still kind of new to contouring. It always looks uneven to me every time, but hey, I'm gonna master this soon. I can never get my lines on my nose to look even to me either. I don't know if it's just me or what. But I love contouring because I love the warmth and the depth that it gives to my face, and it also gives me that chiseled look. I'm going to take this contour brush and make sure it's blended and you don't notice the harsh dark lines. Make sure those lines are blended into the total look. My daughter was just teasing me about how serious I'm looking while I'm blending. I'm going to take this impact brush to blend out my nose. Make sure that looks natural. Take this concealer brush. There's no product on it. I just want to blend out the center to make sure it looks natural also. I'm going to use the Morphe palette today. This is a 350 palette. I'm going to go into my crease with this orange. Use it as my transition color. Nice. I'm going to use this darker color to apply to the corner of my lid to add some depth to my eye. I usually stop there, but today I'm going to bring this color all the way to the center of my lid, just to change up my look a bit. And then I'm going to take this lighter shimmer to the center lid and blend it to the corner of my eye. I just think this is a nice festive look. And then we'll take this crease brush, no product, just to blend it out to make sure it's all transitioning well into my lids. I'm going to pop in a black eyeliner in my waterline. And then I'm going to smoke out my outer corner with this orange. And then I'm going to smoke out the inner bottom lid with this darker color that I just used on my outer top lid. I'm going to use the e.l.f. palette for my blush. And I'm going to use this Tarte palette. I'm going to use the highlighter just to do a little bit of highlighting. And as you can see, guys, this look is so easy. It's really effortless, and it's a tad bit glam in my book. I'm gonna set this with my Morphe setting spray, and this is my first time using it, and I could have stopped right there. I didn't realize it was coming out as evenly and as much as it was, so next time I won't use as much. So I'm gonna dry this and then just use me some mascara to open my eyes a bit. And the last piece is the lip. I'm gonna use this plum reddish lip just to bring this look together. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.